Namaste, children. Children, in last class, in the multiplication chapter, I already started. So, what is multiplication? The quick way, the short and quick way of repeated addition is called as multiplication. Is called as multiplication. So, it is very repeated addition. So, we can easily find out the answer. So now, so multiply three digit numbers, how to multiply. So we have already in the previous classes. Then today, now I am going to properties of multiplication. What are the properties of multiplication? I am already saying you have already learned properties of addition, properties of subtraction, properties of no multiplication. So what are the properties of multiplication? What number will be multiplied? So we get what is the answer will be then what it comes. So that has to be okay. So now properties of just we can discuss about the properties of discussion. When a number is multiplied by one number multiplied by one, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು number multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ one ಇಂದ. So okay, the product is number itself. A product, the product means what? Product means the answer of addition. The answer of addition is called as product. Okay, so now is asking first one property. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is number itself. The product is number itself. So it is answer ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So it means examples. Okay, 12 into multiply what? 1. We get what? 12 on the 12. So one number multiplied to the any number. When a number is multiplied by 1 to the, we get the product is what? Number itself. It is called as answer. That is the number itself. So first one example over. Second one example. 1098 multiply 1. What is your answer? 1098 multiply 1. So 1098. So same answer. Number is itself. That is called as property 1. Third one example. 145 multiply 1. What is that? 145. Fourth one, last one question. 20 into 1. 21 the 20. So number. So what is the conclusion of this examples? These examples we have seen. When a number is multiplied by 1, the product is number itself. Number is itself. This is the example. These are the examples of first property. Now, the product of any number, the product of any number with 0 is always 0. Keep on the mind. So the product of any number, okay, 0 multiplied by any number, the answer is always 0. The answer is always 0. One example I will take that. Okay, 10 into 0. 10 into 0. What is the answer? 0. Next one example. Okay, 1055 into 0. What is your answer? The answer is 0. The product is 0. Your product is 0. So keep on the mind. Okay, this is the examples of, these are the examples of properties. So now again another one I will use to third one. Okay, 13 into 2 into 4 into 0. What's your answer? The answer is 0. The answer is 0. Any number multiply. So the product of any number with 0 is always 0. ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದು ಜೀರೋ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರು 0 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ 1 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನೇನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಕು? 1 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ನಂಬರೇ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. 0 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ. 3015 into 0. The answer is 0. Okay, so these are the examples. These are the examples of second property. In the conclusion of this example, the product of any number with 0 is always 0. Now So examples of second one, third one. Now look at that. We can multiply numbers. We can multiply numbers in any order. In any order means ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕೋದು. So ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕಿರೋದು ಹಿಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕೋದು. So it is order will be changed. So the product remains same, but answer will be remains same. Okay, just one example. Okay, 4 into 7. Is it right? 4 into 7. So now this number I have changed the order. 7 into 4. First one 4 into 7. Okay, first I write 4 and then 7. Then 7 first and then after I will write 4. Okay, multiply. 4 7 the 28. 7 for the 28. The answer will be remain same. The answer will be remain same. This is a one example. I will go for second one example. Okay. So no space is there. You have to write the downside. Okay. Example. Second one. Third property. 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. So first time ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. First ಇವೆರಡು multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 2 3 the 6. So and then multiply again 5. So what is your answer? 30. Is it clear? First time ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವೆರಡು multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ 2 and 3 and then multiply 5, it gets 30. Now I will go for same that 2 into 3 into 5. First time ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವೆರಡು multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. So what is your answer? 15 into 2. 15 to the 30. This is the answer. Same answer will be there. So ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ತರದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆರಡು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೇನ್ ಸೇಮ್. So look at that, we can multiply numbers in any order, the product is remains same. It is does not change the product. So answer is remains same. Okay, so you have to do for exercise 4th B. So it is very very easy concept and then activity is there. So page number 47. Okay, find the product 3 into 5 into 4, 3 5 the 15, 15 for the 60, 4 into 3 into 5, 4 3 the 12, 12 5 the 60. Okay, same, that is the answer will be cannot change. Okay, no, 5 into 4 into 3, 5 for the 20, 20 into 3 the 60. Okay, same, 6 into 8, 6 8 the 48, 48 5 the 240 I think. Okay, so now fill in the blanks. 15 into 0 0, 11 on the 11, so and then changing order. So second one, so 10 into 6 equal to 6 into 10. So changing order will be there, so you have to find out the answers. Is very very easy. Okay, I will write the answers. Okay, now I will go for exercise 4th B. Exercise 4th B. First one answer. First one answer. Find the product. First mine. First mine. 3 5 the 3 into 5 into 4. First multiply these two numbers. 3 5 the 15, 15 for the 60. Okay. Second one B. 4 into 3 into 5. 4 3 the 4 3 the 12, 12 5 the 60. Okay. 4 3 the 12, 12 5 the 60. Same. Then C. 5 into 4 into 3. First time ಮಾಡಬೇಕು any 2 numbers. 5 for the 20, 23 the 60. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 60, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 60, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 60. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, 68 into 5. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವೆರಡನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಟ್ರೆ 8 5 40 40 into 6 6 0 the 0 6 4 the 24 240 240. So now second mine, first one A 0, second one B 11 on the 11, C 10, D one answer, so that is 7. This is a exercise 4th B. Okay, so now I will going to multiply 10 20 100. How to multiply 1000 100 2000? So I will go for that one, another concept. Okay, multiplying by 10 100 200 900. How to multiply? Okay, okay children, multiply by 10 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90. Okay, how to multiply? So to the given numerals, given numbers has to be given. So how to multiply is very easy concept. So okay, so now I will tell that. So how to multiply? First one example, then 6 into 50, 6 into 50. Okay, so next one, another one B 12 into 40, 12 into 40. Now next one, third one 23 into 60, 23 into 60. How to multiply? These are the example. So now as to be written 50 into 6, 50 into 6. Now what do you write this one? 40 into 12. Okay, next one, wait, okay, next one here 23 into 60, 23 into 60. Then it is very easy concept. Okay, now look at the board properly. So now first, how many zeros are there in the in the multiplicand or multiplier? How many zeros are there? First you should write it. 1 0 is there, we should write. Then only numerals multiply. What are the numerals are there? Here 6 and here 5. These are the numerals. Is it right? These are the numerals. You have to multiply these numbers. 5 6 the 30. It is over. Okay, first how many zeros are there? First we have to put it, then multiply numerals only, then multiply numerals. What should be answer is the product will come, that should be, you have to write it. Okay, now has to be same. Now first how many zeros are there? 0 1 0 is there. Next multiply numerals. What are the numerals? 12 and 4. These are the numerals. Is it right? These are the numerals. Multiply these numerals. Okay, 4 to the 8, 4 1 the 4. That is over. First ones place and then tens place. Is it clear? Now I will go for, so it is only mentioned number, mention that, mention the numbers. Then now how many zeros are there in this place? 1 0. Okay, multiply 6 3 the 18, 1 carry to the tens place, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 1 13, 1380. Is it clear? So now multiplying to the 10 20 30 90. So it's very easy concept. First multiply, how many zeros are there? First we have to put it, then multiply only numerals. What are the remaining numerals are there? Multiply first ones place and then tens place. Okay, I will go for next one example. Then what? Fourth one, 45 into 90, 45 into 90, then 45, so 45 and then 90. So first what should we write? First zeros, how many zeros are there? First we have to put it, then 9 5 the 45, how much carry? 4 carry, 9 4 the 36, 36 plus 4, 40. 4050. 4050. This way you have to solve, multiply by 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, these are the examples of multiply. So first ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜೀರೋಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, multiply only numerals. Keep on the mind. Okay, then it is a very best method. Okay, so now I will go for multiply by 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. Okay, now I will go for that concept. Okay students, multiply by 100, 200, 300 up to 900. Okay, so before, that is what we method we use, same method we have to follow. So what is that, how many zeros are there, first we put it, then multiply numerals only. Okay, then so write it 400 by 6. So 400 by 6 multiply, then we get the answer 6 0 the 0, or multiply, or we should write, okay, 6 0 the 0, 6 4 the 24. It is the same answer. Okay, first how many zeros are 2 zeros, 6 4 the 24 over. That is also same method. Now here 600, wait, 12 into 600. Okay, changing order, it is does not change the answer. Okay, so now first how many zeros are there, first we have to put it 2 zeros, so multiply numerals only. Okay, these are the numerals. Okay, 12 and 6, is it right? Okay, 12 and 6 multiply, 6 to the 12, 1 carry, 6 1 the 6, 6 plus 1 7. Is it clear? Now that is your answer. So now 200, okay, 15 by 200, 15 by 200. So how many zeros, first we should write it, 1 2 2 5 the 10, 1 carry, 2 1 the 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3000 answer. Okay, same the method you have to follow in the second D1 answer. Okay, 700 into 8, 700 into 8. So now how many zeros, 1 2, then 8 7 the 56. Only numerals multiply. So when the zeros has to come, so we have to multiply. How many zeros we should write, put the zeros and then multiply the numerals only. Okay, okay students, so in the exercise 4C, second main, exercise 4C, multiply each of the following by 20. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ಗೂ 20 ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೀಪ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೈಂಡ್, 16 25 62 70 280 ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 150. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ಗೂ 20 ಇಂದಾನೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀಟಾಗಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜೀರೋ ಇದಾವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜೀರೋ ಇಟ್ಟುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನ್ಯೂಮರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೈನ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಮೈನ್, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಮೈನ್, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ 4C ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ದ HW. ಓಕೆ, ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಮೈಂಡ್. Today exercise 4C, I am already 4B already finished. Exercise 4C you have to do in the HW. Okay, exercise 4C ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೈನ್ ಮಾತ್ರ 20 ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ, ಏನೇನು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ I have to clarify that. Okay, so thank you students, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.